Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake these delicious individual blueberry pies. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. Okay, I start off by getting my sweet short crust pastry out of the fridge. I've already made this sweet short crust pastry. To watch a video on how to make sweet short crust pastry, click on the link above. Okay, I'm going to knead it gently. Okay. To prevent sticking like this, you put some flour on your work surface, put the dough on it, put a bit more flour on the top, and then I'm going to roll it out. Turn it while rolling. Roll a few times and then turn your dough so that it's more level that way when you roll it, and it also helps prevent it from sticking onto your work surface. Okay, when it's sticking like this, you add some more flour. Add some flour rolling pin, and carry on. Okay. This pastry is good for freezing, so if you're not using any more, you can put this to the side, wrap it in cling film and put it in a freezer bag, and then you can freeze it. But I still need it anyway. I've put it to the side, but I still need it. Get one of the circles and put it in there. Make sure it goes up the sides as well a bit, so that it captures so that the blueberries are captured in it. I'm making them quite shallow, I'm not filling it all the way to the top. Okay, now the next step is to blind bake this so that it partially cooks before adding in the blueberries. So now I'm going to put some greaseproof paper and then add some baking beans on top. Okay, now these are going to go in the oven for a few minutes until the pastry is slightly golden brown. While that's in the oven, you're going to start preparing the filling. And before I do that, I'm going to cut out rounds from this pastry. I've re-rolled the pastry that we put to the side. Okay. And now I'm going to cut smaller circles that are going to go on the top. This is a big one for the bottom and sides, and I use a smaller one for the top. So I'm going to cut 6. Okay. I'm going to save the rest for another time and another recipe, but these ones are going to go on top of the pastry. So I'm going to make the filling now. I'm going to zest some lemon. The rest. Okay. And then I'm going to crush some of them with a fork. Leave some whole, but crush some. Just helps with the juice. It's not a necessary step. You can leave them all whole, it's fine. I'm going to add juice of half a lemon. Scratch any seeds. or use a sieve. Okay. Add some plain flour or corn flour you can use. It helps thicken the sauce. When you've got your blueberries, you can just clean them up a bit. Sometimes they have some of this remaining. So these ones are the crushed ones, and I'm going to add more. And I'm not crushing them. And add some icing sugar. And then I'm going to mix this. Okay, now I'm going to put these to the side until the filling is ready. If you're leaving it for too long, just cover them and leave them until the pastry cases are baked. Okay, the pastries are baked. Just going to put the baking beans back in the packaging and just put them back in there. And now I'm going to put some of the blueberry mixture in there. If you want them to be a bit taller, you can add more mixture. You can add more pastry to get it higher, but I don't like them tall. Fill them a bit more than necessary because they're going to shrink when they're baking. Okay, now I'm going to put the pastry on top. Like that. You can bring it down the sides a bit to cover the filling, like that. Almost like sealing it in. Stretch it a bit. Just going to this is egg and milk. Okay, these are going to go in the oven until slightly golden brown on top. Okay, these are going to go in the oven until slightly golden brown on top. So you just use a spatula to loosen them up a bit. See? Look at that. And you can put them on a plate. You can serve them individually on a plate and dust with some icing sugar. They're still quite warm. You can also serve them with ice cream if you like. I'm just going to... Okay, I'll show you the bottom. You can see it's nicely baked through. And look at that. They taste amazing. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.